To separate the data in a single cell that displays the city, state, and zip using the Excel application, we'll locate the character number of the comma and then use that to identify and extract the components. To begin, we click in cell B4, and in cell B4 we'll locate where is the comma in our data to its immediate left. To achieve this result, we click on the FX button, or Function Wizard. We select the text category, and then we scroll and locate the Find function. Click on OK. In the first cell of the dialog box, it asks us what text are we attempting to find. And for this example, we're attempting to find the comma and enter a comma using the keyboard. In the second cell, it asks us where is the data located, and for the data location for cell B4, it will be cell A4. The start num is not required since we're beginning with the first character. In the sum preview, it shows us the number of 10, which informs us that the comma is the 10th character in St. Louis, Missouri 63102. We click on OK. To extract the city, we'll use a text function named left. So we'll click in cell C or Charlie 4, click on the function wizard, assure that we're in the text category, and then we'll scroll until we find the function left and click on OK. The text is the data that we're trying to segregate or separate. So we'll click in cell A4, and the number of characters will be the location of the comma minus 1. What that does is it eliminates the comma from our data set. In our sum preview, you'll see St. Louis. We'll click OK. The second component will be state. To extract the state, we'll click in cell D as in Delta 2, D as in Delta 4, click the function wizard again, and this time instead of left, we'll use mid. So assuring that we have the category text, we'll scroll until we find the mid function, click on OK. The text is A4. The start number will be the comma location plus 2. By making it the comma location plus 2, we'll skip the comma itself and then the space bar that follows. Finally, the number of characters we want to extract will be 2. All state abbreviations are 2 characters in length, and this will automatically extract all state abbreviations. In our sum preview, you'll see Mo, the shortcut for Missouri. Click on OK. Finally, we'll extract the zip. Again, we'll use mid. Many individuals would suggest right. Because on review of your data, I located zip codes that were both 5 and 9 characters in length. I know that I can get better consistency by using the mid with less complexity than the function right. So let's click on the function wizard button one last time. Scroll till we find mid again. And that of course is in the category text. And click on OK. Now our text, as before, will be A4. Our starting number will be the location of the comma. Add 1 for the space, 2 for the state, and an additional 1 for the space following the state. So if my math serves me well, we'll add 5 characters to our count. Finally, the number of characters we'll extract is 10. By extracting 10 characters, it extracts not only the 5-character zip code, but also all zip codes that have a dash followed by 4 additional characters. In our sum preview, you'll see 63102. That looks good to me. Let's click on OK. And there you've done your extraction. At this moment, cells C4, D4, and E4 are dependent on an intermediate step, and that is the location of the comma as calculated in cell B4. To eliminate that need and have it go direct, we will resolve cell B4 to the formula that is located in B4. To achieve this, we'll click in B4, move our cursor into the formula bar, selecting all information with the exception of the equal sign. Once we've selected all information with the exception of the equal sign, we'll copy that information, and most importantly, then press escape. If you do not press escape, all future formulas will become corrupt and you'll be required to begin again. By pressing escape, it allows us to click on cell C4, locate the variable B4, highlight it, and then paste the formula we've earlier copied. We'll continue this by going to David or Delta 4, again replacing the B4 variable with the formula that calculates the comma count. And finally, we'll do it in E or Edward 4 as well. So I will highlight the B4 and paste. The benefit of this process is that it allows us now to remove the column B, and there's no effect on the cells. Once I have this information, I can autofill for whatever length of list that I have. If you plan on using this in a mail merge, you may want to copy the information and then paste it into a separate spreadsheet using the paste special values command. I'm demonstrating in Office 2010. If you select paste special, you would have seen this dialog box where you click on values and OK. The data is now properly formatted so that this could be used for a variety of reasons, specifically mail merge and other ways of sorting and filtering your information. I hope this helps.